morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices dipped, holding near a 5-month low for a second day, pressured by escalating US-China trade tensions and the International Energy Agency's prediction of a supply surplus in 2026. Wall Street's major indexes rose, supported by solid results from Morgan Stanley and Bank of America that capped big bank earnings, while semiconductor shares climbed on renewed enthusiasm over artificial intelligence. US spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs saw inflows as Jerome Powell hinted further rate cuts may come before year-end. Spot Bitcoin ETFs saw $102.58 million in net inflows, rebounding from a $326 million outflow a day earlier.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The sterling dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.